In this video, we're going to show you how to build a simple process using ProcessMaker BPMN 2.0 compliant process modeler. The process modeler offers a wide range of elements to model almost any process. Each process element offers robust functionality while remaining simple enough for anyone to use to model any process. To start a process model, simply drag a pool element from the left menu and drag it onto the process modeler. Pools outline the activities that occur in a single process. With a click, add lanes to highlight the actors or phases of a process. To determine where users can start a request of the process, add a start event. In ProcessMaker, requests can be started manually or automatically, so processes are never forgotten. Next, add task elements to the process map to allow end users to fill out and review forms, run scripts, send email notifications, add sub-processes, or even embed external applications into the process. The possibilities are endless. Next, we need to add a gateway to route the request down the correct pathway based on a set condition. Use gateways to effortlessly add business rules to process models so that requests end up in the right hands every time. Finally, let's add end events to the process model to represent the end of the process. The last thing we need to do is connect all the elements to each other using sequence flows to define all potential paths in the process. Through process modeling, companies gain clear insight into internal processes to cut costs through digital transformation. Try ProcessMaker today to discover the true potential of your company.